everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a FabFitFun spring unboxing. I am very excited for my spring box. I chose some things that are going to be very useful this spring, and I got some beauty items. I got a home item, kind of a fitnessy item, but I'm going to use it for something else, mom life, and we're gonna discover and unbox it together. So if you have not heard of FabFitFun before, it is a seasonal subscription service where you get to customize your own box. They have so many items and so many brands that you already know and love. I actually have restocked on a lot of items in the past. I actually have all new, brand new things that I want to try in my spring box, but I have gotten things that are staples in my beauty routine or my hair care routine or things that I love, and I've gotten to restock on them for a really, really great price. And if you want to try out FabFitFun, I actually have a 20% off code. This box values up to $350, and if you use my code, which will be in the description box and on the screen here, you can get this box, your first box, for $47.99, which is such a good deal. It's such a good deal, I'm telling you. So let's go ahead. We are going to open my spring box. So first up in my box here, I have this home item, and it's for my kitchen, and it's gonna be really useful. It's from the brand Swell, which I've used their water bottles. I'm sure you've heard of their water bottles. I've used them in the past, but this is a salad bowl kit. First of all, it comes in this really pretty pink color, and so it has a lid, and I like that you can see what is in there. And then the top, this is so cool. So it has a little mini tin to like put dressing, and then it has like a tin on top that you can kind of separate whatever you need. Maybe if you have like chicken or like something, you can then dump it into your salad, put your dressing on. Oh, I'm so excited about this. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like this will help with like meal prep for my own lunches. I feel like I meal prep everybody else's lunch except for my own. So I love it, and I love the pink color. I thought this was so awesome. I'm really excited about that. Next up in my bag, I got a bag, and it's supposed to be like a gym bag, I believe. I kind of wanted to see it. I'm just pulling it out for the first time. But I kind of thought it would be great for baseball season. So it's from Beyond Yoga. It's kind of this like backpack style, and then it cinches at the top here, so you can kind of drawstring it. So it's kind of like one of those like drawstring bags, but like a little more to it. It has nice pockets on the side here. It has a bottom compartment, probably to put shoes and stuff, and then adjustable straps on the back. So baseball season is upon us, and I feel like I'm always carrying like totes and like snacks and all that. I just feel like this will be amazing during that. And I don't care if it gets dirty. It's actually a really nice like wipeable material. Really, really nice quality. Lots of room in here. It does have actually a little zipper compartment right here, but otherwise it's just nice and big, lots of space. So if you're looking for a new gym bag or a mom bag for baseball season, it's great. Okay, next up I got some beauty items. I got this Nude Sticks. It's the Hydra Peptide Lip Butter with shea and avocado. My lips are always dry, so any kind of lip balm, I was like, I'm gonna try it. I need a good lip balm. I feel like I have lip balms all over, like in my purse, on my nightstand over here, like I just have them everywhere. So this one will find its home in my home or car and stay there, I'm sure. So definitely worth it. I also got a mascara from Thrive Cosmetics. I've actually never heard of this. So I saw the brush though, and I was like, I think I'm gonna like this because I love a big fluffy mascara brush. So that's what it looks like. Here is, oh yeah, look at that brush. I thought it was really nice, and I think it's a pretty good brand. I have never heard of them before actually, but it looked promising and we're gonna try it out. In my box, when I put this in my box, I was sore, and I'm actually extremely sore today. I did like this really hard arm workout yesterday, and literally my arms, I'm like, I can barely lift them today. So this is from African Botanics. It's called their Muscle Pain Relief Recovery Gel. Never heard of it, but I saw it was a recovery gel. I was like, I'm gonna get it. So it's supposed to deliver fast-acting, soothing and warming relief to alleviate and revitalize aching joints, muscles, and post-workout discomfort while easing tension and fatigue. You can actually apply it several times a day. You can do it for headaches. I get really, really bad headaches. It says you can rub it gently into your temples. Definitely, I am very, very, very excited about this to try it out, because I will try anything for my headaches, for real. And then the last item here I have is from Pat McGrath, which I have never tried any makeup from Pat McGrath. But this is the Perma Precision Liquid Eyeliner, and I love a good black liquid eyeliner. I will always do a wing. I don't know, it's just like, is that very millennial of me, I guess. But I love a good black eyeliner, and I've never tried anything from Pat McGrath, so I was very curious. Ooh, yeah, that's really good. A nice fine tip. Let's try it. Oh my gosh, that's like really dark. Very, very dark. Dries matte. I like it. I'm gonna like this one. Right, so that is it for my FabFitFun spring unboxing. Definitely check out FabFitFun, and don't forget, if this is your first time ever wanting to grab a seasonal box, use my discount code, which is Erin20GIFT, for that 20% off. That link will be in the description box along with that code. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.